Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about the wonderful benefits of wild strawberries and all its types. So absolutely amazing, really immune boosting properties. We're going to talk about how to use wild strawberries, leaves, as well as the fruit itself holistically in order to help in the healing process, and also what are the benefits of the wild strawberry leaves as well as the fruit and how you can use it today. So let's stay tuned. The leaves and the root of the wild blueberries can actually be used in helping with so many different things. And the root was once popular to be used as a household remedy for diarrhea, and also the stalks of the wild strawberries were used for wounds, and the berries were actually considered to be very cooling, and they are quite bitter. So I'd be careful when it comes to that taste, but they're very rich in immune boosting properties and in a lot of minerals and vitamins as well. And they're also really important to help to eat them in the winter or on the cold seasons such as the late autumn, because they really help with digestive upsets and they really help with boosting the immune system as well. So they're rich in tannins, rich in salicylates, minerals, vitamins such as vitamin B, C and E, and in general the fruit and the leaves are astringent. They help to heal wounds and they serve as a tonic for the liver, and they're a gentle cleansing herb that can be used. So the leaves of the strawberries, the wild strawberries in general, have been growing all around the Finnish forest, and it has been a pleasure harvesting them the last couple of years. And they're basically a gentle astringent for the digestive problems, and also really helping to cleanse the body. Especially when you are suffering from joint pain, if you're suffering from rheumatoidism, if you're suffering from arthritis, the leaves are a wonderful healing element that you can use. If you have the leaves growing around you, that is great. Please make sure you properly identify them. They're really easy to identify once the fruit has come. But if you have them growing around you, make sure you gather the leaves from the wild plant, and then you can use them fresh. You can dry them up to use them in the winter time. You can make a tea out of them, so many different things. So my favorite way is to make a tea from the leaves, the same way I would make a tea from the red raspberry leaves, and then just simply sweeten them up with honey. Make an infusion out of it. Really good for inflammation, really good for, helping to give you the minerals and the vitamins that you need, and the immune boosting elements as well. You can also combine them with meadowsweet, which we talked about in the last video. I will link the video to meadowsweet in the description box below, so you can check it out. Meadowsweet is great for mild arthritic pains, and the wild strawberry leaves are great for the arthritic pains as well. So they're beautifully combined together. And for the fruit, it's actually really great because when you use the fruit topically on your face as a remedy, it's actually been considered as a popular remedy for helping to whiten the skin complexion and helping to remove freckles as well. So you can do so by simply crushing the wild strawberries, the fresh wild strawberries, and then you can apply them on the face, of course, with a little bit of honey. Make sure you do a patch test to make sure you do not have any allergic symptoms to it. They're really helpful to the skin because they're high in vitamin C and vitamin E as well. And the fruit is also amazing because you can, of course, eat them fresh. They are a little bit bitter, and they're less sweet than the normal strawberries that we're used to, and they're really good as a liver tonic as well. So really useful for any sort of fever condition that you might face, because they're very cooling, and they won't cause a stomach pain usually, because they help to heal the stomach, they help to heal the digestive system. And you can also use them as a poultice. You can apply the crushed berries to areas where you have sunburn or skin inflammations as well. You can apply it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off gently and carefully. And these are the best ways that you can use the wild strawberries. We've come towards the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, click on the subscribe, like button, and we'd love to hear from you what kind of videos you're interested in. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.